Look at it. Outside is crazy right now. You can't even see the windows. It's fogged up. The wind is blowing so hard. Oh, you can see it right there. Look at that. I'm about to go outside though. Alright, so we're about to go outside and explore the snowstorm. As you guys can see, it's already snowing inside of the house. Hold on. Look at that. It's all over the door. It's windy out here. Okay. So this is my first snowstorm, guys. I've never been in a snowstorm, or blizzard as they would call it. It's very white. Oh, very icy. A lot of wind. Very windy. A lot of snow falling. Slowly. Look at that. Whoa. The wind is blowing hard as what the heck? Woo! I am getting hit by this wind right now. So here's my feet. I don't have any snow boots, but these K-Swiss, they're actually doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good. So the temperature is 8 degrees outside right now, guys. And I have to say, it's cold as hell. I've never been in weather this cold before. My hands are freezing right now. Like I said, if you guys don't know, I'm from Florida. And this is a new experience for me. Oh my God, the wind's picking up. I don't even have a proper winter jacket or boots. Oh my God, my hands are going back in the house. Alright, so we about to go. Oh shit, I just fell in this damn pile of snow. We about to go get some boots for me and my son. I had to come out here and start the car first because ain't no way we going anywhere like this. Look at this. Oh shit. I don't think we're going anywhere at all. Oh, it's iced shut. The doors are iced shut. Locks from the snow. Holy shit. Look at this. Alright, so what I have here is a spoon, and I'm gonna try to get this door unjammed with the spoon because it's really the only way I know how to try to unfreeze this. So let's try. Breaking up the ice. This is the most ghetto shit I have ever done in my life. That might have been where it was at, though. Let's try. Let's try now. There we go. Got it open. So my neighbor actually came through and brought me one of these out because they seen me out here struggling with the car. So I could finally scrape everything off now. Woo! It's cold as hell out here. Let's get this wiped off. Clear the snow out. I have no idea how to use one of these things at all. So I'm just winging it right now. I'm thinking this is how you use it based off of what I've seen from like YouTube and stuff like that. Scrape all this off. I got the car running. The car is running right now. So we can defrost everything. You can't even see. That is crazy as hell. Literally, the wind is blowing me now. Look at this. I don't even know if y'all can see the wind like. Alright, y'all, we finally got into the car. Mommy's in here bundled up. Stack's back there. Mommy's back there. They all bundled up. Dad's the only one not bundled up. Look at this thin ass
No, tell
jacket.
them why you don't got a jacket. Tell them.
So the reason I don't have a jacket is because before we moved to Pittsburgh, I saw this homeless dude laying on the ground outside of a Wawa in New Jersey. And it was freezing cold outside. And I had bought my big jacket already early to prepare. And I was like, you know what? This dude looks cold. It's going to get really cold out here. And I'm just going to give him my jacket. So I took off my jacket and just laid it next to him. I told him that's for you. He was sleeping, so I didn't want to disturb him. So, yeah. So hopefully he's warm. But now it's time for me to get warm. And right now we're going to go get boots for me and Stack because we don't have any boots. I got mommy some boots and our daughter some boots earlier just to prepare. So now me and Stack are going to go get some boots. And I might get me a little cheap big jacket because it's cold today. And we're going to attempt to work. But I don't know. It's pretty icy out. So we're going to see how that goes later. Catch us at the store. Driving on slush. I just slid trying to turn into the damn gas station. I'm driving 18 miles per hour right now. I'm not playing with y'all. This 20 now. Slippery out here, so we're being very careful. Trying to figure out how we're gonna go about driving for the day. I don't know if we're getting tires or not. I don't think we're gonna get tires because it's gonna take like 2 to 3 days. So we're gonna have to stick it out. Maybe try to get some chains or something. But going back up the mountain now, so let me pick it up. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Target. We're about to go in here and get our snow boots for me and Stack and continue with our day. So the parking lot is full of snow. Cars are not even parked inside the parking spaces. They just park wherever they could because you can't see the spaces on the ground. So we about to get out and take a look. Let's go. Alright, so we're walking into Target right now. Got the family out here. Ooh wee! That cold is hitting my face. Crazy. I don't know if you guys can see my face turning red, but it is turning. It's like it feels frozen. I can't even talk. I'm probably exaggerating, but I don't know if I'm Florida. Sorry. Look at the slush. Is this even working?
Yeah, see that thing at the bottom? That means thing in the back you can put your finger through and pull.
My finger don't fit through that.
Yeah, it do. Yeah, use it and then pull it.
Nope, these don't fit.
Okay, you want?
These are size, what?
I don't know.
13. These is way too
That's
big.
all I was saying. It might be too
Size
big.
13.
You never know. Try it. Shit. I don't. These,
I don't know what they look like though.
they're the same. Here.
Same thing as these?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your toy? Sit up.
I'm gonna show the world how you act. You got all this stuff.
Are these snow boots? That wind hits you, boy. Alright, guys, we're in Target. Slipping on the ice, just walking out. Alright, so we did get our boots. As you can see, Stack got his boots, I got my boots. I'm gonna put my boots on when we get back to the car. Whoo, we get the kids in the car and get it turned on. We freezing out here. The cinematic mode on this phone is really crazy. I didn't think the iPhone could record video like this. You can't even see them back there clearly. But where are we at? The parking lot looks different now. Oh, I see the car. Let's get on this side. All right, y'all, we just got to Walmart. Before I go in, I gotta put on my boots. Hey. Heard that. That's one. Number two coming on right now. That's two. Alright, so I'm here in Walmart getting it home. I wanted the turkey, but I ain't seen no turkey here. We got maple pecan, we got brown sugar. Babe said maple pecan sounds good, so we're gonna go with that. Let's try that. Alright, so now we gotta find drinks and a couple other things so that we can have our little Christmas dinner for ourselves. Go, go! Alright, so it's still the same day, guys. I just changed the jacket. Right now, I gotta go pick up a... shit, it's still cold. Still very, very cold. This for the thumbnail. Anyways, right now I gotta go pick up a high chair. Because I forgot. Not even forgot, but I had to get a high chair. And microwave. Because we're cooking for the holidays. And we need a microwave. Because we haven't got one since we moved in. I gotta get in the car. It's really cold. See you later. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. That's the day. Right now we're back here on the couch and we're watching the Polar Express. So that's been our journey through the snow. That's our first snowstorm. Thank you guys for subscribing and always coming back to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.